begin. So I will not introduce each and every one of the press. Later on, when we have questions, we would like to request for you to just say your name and what your affiliation is, so that we are aware if you're members of the print media or broadcast media and all that. So, right now, may we call on our CEO of the Katipunan Fund Drive, Mr. RJ Nicolas, to give an overview of what the project is about. Also, may we call on Mr. Mason Hernandez, our marketing head, to also be with RJ.
So, first of all, I'd like to thank everyone for coming here and attending today. I know that it's been a very busy week for everyone, but I hope that we can all enjoy today's press con. So, we are Horizon. So, to introduce you, to familiarize you with our members, you have me, of course, as the CEO and next time. And our operations head for the project is going to be Manuel Ekbalasi. Then our finance head po will be Nicolo Maglambayan. Our marketing head beside me is Mason Hernandez. Our HR head is Izzy Reyes. Our executive secretary for the bulletin is J.M. De Los Santos. Our stage director is Lorenzo Amandi. Our performer contactor is JB David. And for our supervisors for each team, I'll have Andrew Sanchez, Clark Bayani, and Enzo Lopez. So to give a brief overview of KFD and what it is. So Katipunan Fund Drive is an annual fundraising effort of the AJHS for the benefit of calamity victims, Jesuit missions, and partner communities and institutions. Okay, so many of you are probably wondering, why did we choose the name Horizon? So the horizon represents possibilities. The endless opportunities that stretch out before us, just as the horizon marks the meeting point between the earth and the sky. Our Katipunan Fund Drive is where our collective efforts come together to build a brighter future for our beneficiaries. It's about pushing past boundaries and expanding what's possible. In this concert, we aim to create an atmosphere where the energy, the beats, and the lights symbolize the vibrant future we are working towards. Every ticket sold, every donation made, and every person who participates is contributing to moving beyond the horizon, helping us reach new heights in education, accessibility, and opportunity. So that's it for our overview. Thank you, and if there are any inquiries or you are looking for updates, you can check us out at Horizon KFD 2025 on Instagram.